and welcome in to Fashion the Right Fit. This is fun.
Always fun.
I know, it's so good to have you back.
Thank you.
It's that time of year to be shopping. Shop local. We've got Linda here from Victoria's Boutique, Main Street, downtown Prattville.
Yes.
And I love your stuff. And today we've got sweaters,
pullover sweaters, that type of thing. Because we're getting ready for this cool weather.
It's coming.
It's coming. It's coming. And I'm going to start out with.
Linda.
Yes.
Big deal. Open house.
Open house. Holiday open house is downtown Prattville, November 18th on a Saturday from 11 to 5, and on Sunday 1 to 5. We're doing 2 days this year. It's going to be fun.
I think that's good.
I do too.
I think that, and all your merchants
all
downtown.
All our merchants downtown are open. Yes.
So
yes.
You just go and spend the day.
Yes, it's a wonderful time to come downtown Prattville because it's decorated so cute.
I know.
So nice downtown. Yes.
And you've got the best stuff.
Thank you. I think I do too. But anyway, this is a really pretty habitat. I call it a travel piece. It's 3 pieces. There's your little camisole underneath with a little jacket that goes over. The jacket in the back has pleats.
Oh, I love
right
that.
There, and it's long, so it's going to cover everything.
Right,
it's a longer piece, and it goes with these really cute little black pants. Has a pocket. They have pockets. These don't wrinkle.
I know.
So this, you can fold these up and put them in your suitcase, and you are ready to go. If seat belts won't wrinkle your clothes, but I put a piece of costume jewelry with it that I have in the store, and I just think it's a beautiful outfit together.
You can wear that casual,
dress it up.
Pearls with it,
yes,
a scarf, and you've got church.
Yes.
You've got cocktail.
Yes,
you can do everything.
Everything
with
with just one outfit. Yes, you could.
I like that.
I do too. You could change the camisole, and make a different color underneath it too if you wanted
to.
Some
sparklies.
Sparklies. That's right. And this sweater is from Charlie B. out of Canada.
Oh.
Love it. It's got the little pockets in the front to slide in, and the back is laced grommets. The little details that course down the back.
The detail.
It's so cute. And these sweaters wear so well. This is a Charlie B that I have on. So they just wear well. They're cute. I love the pockets.
I love the little pockets.
Pockets in the front. But really pretty over black. My favorite colors together.
Yep.
Black and white. It looks so nice.
And anybody can wear that kind of ecru. That
ecru. It's
kind of an off
not a true white.
Winter white.
Winter white. There you go. And this little pullover top is from Multiples. It's got.
Is that cute?
I love the design. So different. The little sleeves with a little bit of puffy lace like chenille or whatever. But it's so nice looking. But put it with your black pants. And it's just a sharp looking outfit.
That's cute.
Yes, isn't it nice?
Multiples last forever.
They do. They have such a cute line of clothing. And so different. And everyone does comment, I love Multiples. And I'm like, well, that's why I sell it.
That's right.
It is a good line.
Good stuff.
It's a very, very good line. And this is another Multiples piece. It's a pullover. It's got the longer sleeves, a little cow neck with a little drawstring if you want to tighten it up a little bit. And it also has the grommets design across the front.
Pretty purple.
But I love purple, and you don't find many purple pieces of clothing anymore. But wear it with black. It just looks so nice. Isn't that pretty together? Nice.
I like that you can pull this. My neck gets cold.
A lot of ladies say that their neck gets cold.
And I love it that you can pull that up.
You can tighten it if you need to. That's exactly right. And here's another Multiples piece. They've got so many different varieties in their colors, but. An animal print.
Oh, they're always in, always.
Still around, still here, but it's got the cow neck. And the different colors going different ways makes it look interesting to me. The sleeves are different, but it's a pretty piece, and it looks good with black.
I just love the fact that they're all cut differently. They're different.
They're different for sure, but it does make a really pretty outfit.
Nice looking.
Yes. Nice. And this is Allie Miles, the sister company to Multiples. A nice... little sweater's a little heavier, but I love the little collar on it with a little fringe. It's so pretty. It's got a fringe on the sleeves also, but it's just a really pretty sleek lines.
And that's a good warming color for
when it's cold. This is going to feel good. But I like it with black. I just thought that was pretty together.
I do too.
Very, very nice. Yes.
Oh, this would feel so good.
And we love color. This is a Multiples piece, longer sleeves. It's got the little cow neck tied in the front with a little button on it.
I love
Very pretty. Yes, I do too. And I love the asymmetrical design on the hem. It's Comes up and it comes back down.
Right.
But put it with black. Isn't that pretty?
Sharp.
Very nice looking.
Do you have more of those?
Yes, I actually I
This
have.
is going home with me.
I have it in teal and I have it in green for winter. The winter, the Christmas green. So yes, but yes, and that's it for today on this
Oh,
line.
I love it. Well, you know what? Tell us one more time about your open house.
Sunday the 18th and Saturday the 18th and Sunday the 19th. We're open both days. Downtown Prattville. All the merchants are open. It's a holiday open house. Come and see us.
What are your hours?
11 to 5 on Saturday, 1 to 5 on Sunday.
11 to 5 Saturday.
1 to 5.
1 to 5 on Sunday.
Mhm.
Okay. So after you go to church, go have lunch, and then go
Come
see
downtown.
Linda
Yes.
at Victoria's.
Yes, thank
This
you.
is so fun. I can't wait till next week because we've got lots of great stuff
Yes,
for
we
you.
do.
And thanks for being with us. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.